Hi, good afternoon from Kilstant White Ants. Currently we are at Desapark Bandar Majalara. So we have previously done the Advance Termite System installation for this bungalow for our client, and currently we are doing this for a new bungalow which is technically their neighbors. So today we'll be showing the inside of the property, and as of today's work we will be actually adjusting the injection box for this property. Okay, so we have already previously pre-laid all the termite system, which we will show in the video in between, and how we have done it. And this property is right now is in the completion stage. Okay, so we do this for this advanced termite system. We do this for a lot of high-end bungalows and high-end villas like this, and we do this for all properties actually, but predominantly it's used for a lot of bungalows. And the injection point boxes are strategically located over here, and we have multiple points that's securing different zones. So we have over here and also over here as well, right? So the injection boxes is also over here and around the building perimeter. Okay, so as you can see from here, our team is installing and adjusting the injection box.